Today, we'll show you how to install your Highpoint booster seat without the backrest. Ensure vehicle seat is in the upright position before placing the booster on the seat. In backless booster mode, ensure the booster seat is positioned in a location that has a vehicle head restraint. Push the lower connector release button and pull lower connector to fully extend the lower connector adjuster strap. Repeat on the opposite side to ensure all slack has been released from lower connector system. Verify lower anchor straps are not twisted. Push lower connectors onto their adjacent lower anchors. A click helps confirm lower connectors are attached. Pull on lower connectors to confirm a secure attachment. Guide the booster seat into place while pulling the lower connector adjuster strap to remove slack.